In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your mouse cursor on Windows computer. First of all, click on bottom left corner, Start menu, and then search Setting. Click on Settings. In the Settings search bar, type mouse. You will get the mouse setting option. At the top right corner, you will see additional mouse option. Click on that, and you will get this pop-up. Click on pointer step, and then click on normal select. Then click on browse. You will see lots of Windows default cursor option, but we will use custom one. Open any internet browser and then go to squeezycursor.com. I will put this link in the description box. Choose cursor from this website. Here is animation cursor, lava cursor. I will use this one. To download this cursor, click on the cursor and then you will get this download option. Click on download and then select cursor first, and then again click on downloads and click on pointers. Once download done, go back to settings, select your downloaded file. First of all, I will select the cursor, then pointers. Select the cursor and then click on open, then click on apply. Scroll down. Now click on the link select, click on browse. This time select pointers, click open and click on apply. Now you see my mouse cursor is changed. Here is my cursor and here is my pointer. That's how we can change mouse cursor on Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe our channel.